Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to backup your WhatsApp chat to Google Drive, and just follow me to do it. Go ahead and launch your WhatsApp app, and now to create a new backup file, tap on this menu icon and go to settings. And here tap on chats and tap on chat backup. And now first of all we have to add our Google account here. So tap on Google account, and I've already added my Google accounts here. So now from this list I can select a Google account. And if you don't have any account here, just click on add account and add your Google account first. So here's I'm selecting my Google account. Now frequency, you can select any option from here. If you want to back up your WhatsApp messages weekly, then select weekly. To back up WhatsApp including videos, enable this option. And now all you have to need is just tap on backup. And here, as you can see, I've successfully backed up my WhatsApp messages into my Google Drive. And now I'll show you how to restore WhatsApp messages or WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. First of all, you can uninstall your WhatsApp app, or you can go to your settings app and search for WhatsApp and open WhatsApp under apps. And here tap on storage, and I'm tapping on clear data, delete. And now I'm going to relaunching my WhatsApp app and selecting my language, tapping on done and agree and continue. And now select here your country and add here your phone number for your WhatsApp account. And in this restore backup page, here we can see a backup font from my Google Drive account. So here all you have to need is click on restore, and as you can see, my WhatsApp backup file restoring from Google Drive, and it may take some time. It depends on your backup file size. Once your backup completely done, just write here your account name, click on next, and that's it. This is how we can easily back up our WhatsApp chat from Google Drive. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.